Okay, client will be shown in a client card, and the client information will be stored in the client catalog. So here we have different fields for client. We can have a billing, mailing, and shipping addresses. They could be same or they could be different. So let me show you what we have in a system in terms of client card and client notification. So here we have client list, and when we open a list of clients, we have so for clients, we need to have a flag here, which will show us that this particular company, our client vendor will be shown here, and the carrier will be shown here. So different flag for different type of the company. And because we have one catalog which will we call companies. The same record could be a client, vendor, and a carrier. In terms of addresses, so we can have multiple addresses here, and we enter country, state, city, postal code or zip code, and street. So say, for example, we can edit this stuff here. And to build the entire description, we can click button here, and it will change the description and combine description for the entire for the address. Yeah. So the address will be selected in a different way. So if we have multiple divisions, all the divisions presented for this client will be shown here. And again, we have a different tabs where we can see different information about the client. We can see the client history, all the documents which are associated with a particular client. We can have a client list, a contact list, and a location list for this particular client. And price agreements if we have any specific price agreements here.
Michael, can I ask you a question regarding the different addresses? So what the difference between address of the company and location of the company?
Yeah, so location means that it's good point, because we will come to the point about talking about location. So the address is a physical address. It could be a billing and shipping address, and in this case we will have physical address. For location, it could be a physical location where we will put our equipment. It could be a job site, it could be a well site, it could be the camp pipeline, lots of different locations where we can store our equipment. And for the location, we will have the zip code and the county. However, in many cases, if we talk about oil field, we will have only direction, which will define us how to get there, and longitude, latitude coordinates, which gives us an opportunity to see this location in Google Map. So moreover, location if we talk about USA and sales tax situation, the zip code or county will define a particular sales tax which we will apply for this particular location. And if we talk about Canada, it will be easy because in Canada the province will define the taxes. Location could be active or inactive, depending on what kind of status you have. And you can run a location report, and the location report will show you what kind of equipment you have in this location right now. And if you would like to have the particular person assigned to this particular location, you can select those contacts in a location field. And if we talk about particular contacts, we can open this list of contact persons, and in a list of contact person, we will have name, company, position, and you can enter the different positions to your position list, and phone, office, mobile, or direct, and email address, and any notes about this particular person. You can have a contact person history, you can have a location history report. So everything is clear and available for the user.